water bottle for dance. Bring me your water bottle. Can you get your shoes? Where's your shoes? You took off your shoes? You gotta put them back on? Say good morning, everybody. Today's Saturday. We're gonna start our weekend vlog. The girls are going to dance. We just did their water bottles. Desi, show your cute water bottle. From Pottery Barn Kids. Where's the name? Oh, you can kind of see the name. There you go. We're gonna go to dance, and then tomorrow, the 21st, on Sunday, is actually Desi's birthday, but we're going to go to a trampoline place today. She decided to take some of her friends jumping, so I'm going to be chaperone today. My mom is gonna watch Mia while we're doing that, and I'm going to take you guys along. Let's go. You want the Mickey Mouse?
Yeah.
Say point.
No.
This water bottle, this one's going to grandma's. Here. No? Fine. Put the music down.
Hey guys, so we're back from getting the other girls, and now
Well, first off, we went to dance. We picked up the 3 children here. We're picking up Sophia now from dance. And then where are we going?
we're going to SKYZONE.
For Desiree's 11th birthday party.
Oh, we're recording. Jeez, okay, okay.
I'm good.
Where's Desi? Oh.
Hi.
Hello. I do not appreciate saying trendy, right? Happy birthday, Desi.
Okay, let's go jump.
When are we gonna get our shoes?
I think she took them already.
Oh, that was quick. Oh, we better get our shoes.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna?
You gotta go straight so it doesn't mess up your flow.
Can I get some water? Okay, I'll come.
Up, you got closer. You almost had it. You were closer. You got closer though. Up, you got it.
And now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we're cold. You can take us out. Your doubts won't hold us down. 'Cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go. Oh, oh. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us know tonight.
Attack them, there's more of you. You gotta get closer. Ah. All right, Milani. Run away, run away.
Who got you? My brother.
Attention, Fashion Jumpers. The time is now 4:30.
If all playing together.
Head to the front desk to purchase additional.
Good job.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard. Cause you're in my space and now I'm so. Hold me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Shot Won't let you touch me, won't let you go to my head. Cause I know I'm dealing with the devil. But I'm standing with my heart in your hand. And I'm too deep into in this gamble. Hold me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything.
Say happy birthday. Mia, tell Desi happy birthday. How old are you today?
11.
11. Aww. Say today's Desi's birthday and we're gonna go party. Here you go, going in the closet. Come on, come on, come on, come on, get up.
Come on.
All right, it's Sunday. We are heading to Desi's birthday party. Are you excited?
Yeah.
You kind of saw the decorations yesterday, right?
Yeah. I
But-
saw all of it.
Okay, but it's gonna be cool. My mom went ahead because she wanted to finish the setup. So my stepdad is in ABC Liquor right now, of course. Dominicans are always gonna have alcohol even though it's a kid's party, but whatever. Look at shit. That's Daddy's. You don't even know what that is. Mia is about 5 seconds from falling asleep. I'm really hoping that she takes a nap so that she's in a good mood, because there's gonna be a lot of people there. But yeah, we're gonna celebrate Desi's 11th birthday party. I actually cut my hair, guys. It looks pretty dark in the frame. It's not actually this dark, but I chopped off my hair myself. I did a trim because I was getting so sick and tired of my hair in general, and it was always in a bun and I never felt like doing anything. So I was like, and it's too hot in Florida still, so I just chopped it off. I want to go shorter, but obviously I have to go to an actual stylist to go shorter because I don't know how to cut my hair like that. So I'm hoping I can find somebody that can really cut my hair good, that I'm gonna like it, that it'll be manageable, and I'm pretty excited about it. I did like the mom cut. My waves are dead because of this Florida heat, but if you want to go ahead and see my picture on Instagram, I'll leave the link to my Instagram below. It's always on my description box, so if you want to see my new haircut that I did myself, my little DIY, go ahead and check out my Instagram. But yeah, other than that, we're heading to Desi's 11th birthday party. It should be a lot of fun, and we'll see you there. Bye.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my choo-choo-ah. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my choo-choo-ah, choo-choo-ah. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
The smile? Yeah, go get it, Gabby.
I need red.
You need red? Here.
Black.
Milani, let me see it again.
That's good, girl. Get on the food. Pick which one you like. You want to do this one or that one?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Desiree. Happy birthday to you. Wait, that's
You took pictures?
Hey, Andy, what'd you wish for? The 1.6 billion Mexican. It's Tatiana's birthday too. Yay, Tatiana! Tatiana, go, Tatiana.
Don't shake the table, the cupcakes. 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Wait, do it again, fake.
Like a fake one?
Yeah. Got it. Yay.
You.
Dos millones, 2 millones. Did you find that?
Chocolate. We're gonna get some ice cream now. What color? Vanilla.
Yes? Okay. Nathaniel, back up.
I need you to sit down.
And I'm over here like this.
Her name necklace. If you like the first one, you're gonna love this one. Your first big girl watch.